Transforming a junkyard into a beautiful garden in the most cost-effective way involves smart planning, upcycling, and using available resources. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you do this affordably. First thing to do is to clear the space. Instead of hiring professionals, clear the space yourself. Recycle scrap metal, wood, and other items that can be sold or reused. Identify items in the junkyard that can be upcycled into garden elements such as old tires, wooden pallets, or broken containers. Upcycle some of the junk into garden decor. Such like old tires can be painted and use tires as planters or to create raised beds. Use wooden pallets to convert pallets into vertical gardens or compost bins. Take metal cans and containers as unique planters. Old windows or doors can be used to create garden fences or frames for climbing plants. Start composting food and yard waste to create rich, fertile soil. Check with local landscaping companies or communities for free or low-cost soil. You can often get free mulch or compost through city programs. Plant cuttings. Propagate plants from cuttings. Ask neighbors, community members, or friends for cuttings. Use seeds from your kitchen vegetables and fruits to grow new plants. Local garden centers or online platforms like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace often give away plants or garden supplies. Choose hardy plants that don't require a lot of water or maintenance. Raised beds from found objects, bricks, old bathtubs, or wood to create raised garden beds. These help prevent weeds and improve soil quality. Use leaves, grass clippings, or wood chips to create cost-effective pathways that prevent weed growth. Set up a rain barrel system using old barrels or containers to collect free water for your garden. Use old hoses or plastic bottles to make a low-cost irrigation system to keep your plants watered. Repurpose metal scraps or car parts to create unique garden art, giving your garden a personalized, artistic feel. Use scrap metal, old ladders, or broken furniture to create trellises for vines and climbing plants. Turn old chairs, benches, or even wooden crates into seating areas. Clean, sand, and paint them to make them garden ready. If your junkyard has rocks or stones, use them to create borders for garden beds or paths. Use fallen trees or branches as natural dividers or benches. Paint old items like metal buckets, chairs, or barrels in bright colors to add pops of color to the garden. Use outdoor-resistant paint to revive old furniture for seating or decorative purposes. Visit thrift stores or online marketplaces for affordable garden tools. Organize a local plant swap to get free plants. By combining creativity, resourcefulness, and a little elbow grease, you can turn a junkyard into a beautiful garden without breaking the bank.